Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
Let's start learning. This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today for you friends. This is the exercise number 16. This is a simple open-end wrench design video tutorial. We will use one sketch and one extrude command for completing this part. We will use SolidWorks 2018 for designing this part. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular practice. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material.
Left-click and select Sketch.
Take Center Line command and draw lines like this.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Length is 164.9 millimeters.
Now take Circle command.
Diameter is 34 millimeters. Diameter is 50 millimeters. Now take Ellipse command. Make these steers vertical.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 13.8 millimeters. Height is 90 millimeters. Distance is 26 millimeters.
Press OK. Now take the line command.
Make them horizontal.
Now take trim entities command. Press OK.
Take mirror entities command. Select these items as mirror entity. Mirror about this axis.
Press OK.
Radius is 32 millimeters.
Now take circle command. Now select Smart Dimension.
Radius is 32 millimeters.
Now take the line command.
Height is 20 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension. Press OK.
Take mirror entities command. Select these items as mirror entity. Mirror about this axis.
Press OK. Now take trim entities command. Now trim these lines. Now select Smart Dimension.
Make the dimension driven. Make the dimension driven. Make them horizontal.
The sketch is fully defined. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Depth is 10 millimeters.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Congratulations! This is the part which we are trying to build.
If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us. Let's do motion study. Make this speed 3x. Select Animation Wizard. Select Rotate Mode and click Next. Select Y-axis of rotation and click Next. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click Finish. Now select Play from Start. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.